my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by. Make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell, join the Clockwork crew, so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday like clockwork. Y'all, I know you see the title, and some of you probably saw my Instagram stories, because I just got the box today, and I literally posted it. Guys, this is my premium box. For you guys to see this is my cell phone. Okay? This is my cell phone. And this is my premium box. Y'all, if this is not a good box, if this box is not expensive, I'm gonna be mad, and this might be the last BoxyCharm box. The last unboxing for this. I know you guys enjoy it, and I know you guys are ready for me to be angry, but keep on watching. Just keep on watching. Sorry. I'm kind of over it before we even start, but I'm just hoping like maybe I'm going to be pleasantly surprised, because this is smaller than the regular base box. So this, it feels like there's stuff in there, and it feels a little heavy, but I'm just like, what is this? Honestly, now I literally just got it today. I was outside in the backyard. My mother calls me and she's like, oh, your BoxyCharm came. It's really little. I just put it by the door. Like, what do you mean really little? And it's bad enough I got an email last week saying that it's late. We're trying to get them out as soon as possible. First of all, my BoxyCharm is always late, okay? Everybody's always posting theirs like the first week of the month. I get mine the third week. And that's why the video comes out so late after everyone else. But like, let's just do it. And guys, I'm not in the mood for y'all to be asking about my address. So y'all really not gonna see it. Stop playing. Okay, here we go. Here's my tiny little box. We got a card. Okay. Maybe they're economizing. I don't know. Let's pull stuff out. There's stuff in here. Let's see. I can see how many items. Okay, so there's 6 items in here. That's about right for the premium box. The first thing in here, I have a Laura Mercier blush color infusion. I really hope this is not shimmered, because I hate shimmer blushes. So this retails for $32. It says long-lasting sheer powder blush, provides 10 hours of buildable, natural-looking cheek color. Why do I want a buildable blush? I don't know. Let's just see. I'm already going in angry. That's not good. So here's what it looks like. This is in Cur Royale. That's the color. I'm assuming. Sorry. I'm a little annoyed at this color. So it has a nice mirror. I'm just going to use this to black out so you guys are not blind. I don't know what color BoxyCharm thinks I am, but I wouldn't use this on myself. It's a little too dark. Okay. We're next. This is $32 so far. Getting my money's worth. So let's hope that that's getting my money's worth. This is $32. The premium box is $35. Okay. Moving along. Okay, so in here, there's actually lashes in here. They are Lashaholic luxury lashes. I'm gonna tell you right now, it doesn't really feel luxury. It's just giving me very much drugstore, just with the style of the lashes and just like the packaging. If you guys look closely, they're really, really like kiss lashes. I'm not gonna lie to you, so these better not be expensive. They're cruelty free. It says made from 100% premium silk. How much is this? These are $15.99. Like, yeah, they was giving me very much drugstore lashes. You know what? I'm petty. I'm not even gonna open this in the wrapper. I only wear my lashes now. The site will be up soon. I'm aiming for August 1st, so save the date. Of course, there'll be a video on here of me going through this, but I'm gonna show you lashes that actually look luxury. Just give me 1 second. All right. Sorry. I'm sorry that this is real petty. It's a shameless plug also, but okay. So this is, let's show this one more time. I'm leaving this in the packaging because I'm just gonna give it away and like a giveaway or something like that. Or probably to my mother because these are like, all right, luxury lashes. Okay, this is the packaging. Here it is. I got all the social media on the back. Cool, great, $15.99. Not bad. That's kind of drugstore though, not really luxury to me. And these are mine. Sorry, I have to. Let's just take a look at the packaging real quick. Okay, I work hard on this. There's also a mirror in here, and just look at these lashes. These are in the style Blue Year because it is my year. I'm not playing, and these will be available real soon. But I just want to show you guys actual luxury versus this for $15.99, and I know how much it costs to make these. So they tried it. I'm just saying. Sorry about that. I just had to because like, who y'all fooling? But let's move on. The next thing in here, it's dirty. You see what I mean? This is what I be talking about, BoxyCharm. I don't even want to look at what it is. It's dirty. I'm gonna, like, you guys can't see it. I'm gonna take some close-ups of this because it's dirty. And I don't even, it's an eye cream. I'm not putting this anywhere. I don't even want to touch it. This was definitely, so this was one of my videos where I literally was cursing them the fuck out. This is dirty. This was left in, like, this was left over. Honestly, looks like a sample. Coriander seed and marjoram. I don't care what it is. It has quinoa and vitamin. I mean, I don't even want to hold it properly. This is $39, and I'm pretty sure it's old. And it looks old and it's dirty and I'm not even gonna touch it. This was something on the shelf and they just like, again, last time I got a box really late, they just threw shit together and shit was dirty. And I'm actually like, what the fuck is this? It's this, I hope y'all gonna see. I'm gonna put the video in and you guys, this is nasty. I don't even wanna open it. I don't wanna smell it. I feel like it's old and expired. And that is one thing people always complain about BoxyCharm about. They think, people always say that they have old expired shit in there. I've never had anything expired, but that I know this ain't right. I know this ain't right. I'm trying to check the date because I don't even know. This is nasty. Moving the fuck on. This is a skin regimen. I love it. It's like a booster. What is this? Is this a serum? I think it's a serum. I'm still actually really annoyed. What is this? I don't even know what the brand is. I can't really, is it called Skin Regimen? Okay, so Skin Regimen is a brand. This is a 1.85 H8 booster. It's a hydrating serum with a concentration of 3 forms of hyaluronic acid. So this is $115. Yeah, that's crazy. This video is gonna be real short because there's no palette. There's no, let's just look at this. This looks clean. Let me see if this expiration. I'm checking everything now because I'm really like annoyed that was really dirty. Okay. Directions: apply food drop to face followed by the cream. Well, I don't got the cream. I'm gonna use my own cream, but I do like a good serum. It doesn't smell like anything. Let's put this on my hands. It feels very nice, very hydrating. So that's, yeah, one good thing that I got. And it doesn't smell like anything, so that's really good. You guys know I can't really deal with scents too much, so anything too strong is really gonna irritate me and trigger my headache, and that's a no good. But again, this is $115 already. Like, there's some expensive stuff in here, but that blush is a no. That eye cream, I'm not putting it anywhere on my face. It's dirty. Like, it's been there for probably, I'm gonna be mean. I was gonna say like Jack and Hill's lipstick, but moving on. That was messy. Sorry. All right, so next is, I don't want to use it right now. So next we have a Marc Jacobs at Lashed. Is this a mascara? I hope it's a mascara. I love mascara. Where is it? Okay, so this is a lengthening and curling mascara. This retails for $27. Hairs is in black. Why do you guys keep doing that? I'm sorry. It's a Hank & Henry eyeliner that's called Blackety Black. I don't like that. This is called Blacker, like spelled like lacquer, but blacker. I don't know how I feel about that either. I think you guys need to consult people of color before you make these names, because black is fine. You could just use black. No one's gonna be upset. Promise you. Hand to God. But the Blackety Black and Blacker, I don't really know how I feel about that, and I feel like you guys need to speak with someone. Please and thank you. But this is the packaging. You know it's Marc Jacobs. It's gonna be expensive. It's gonna look nice. I just want to see what this applicator looks like. It's regular. I really like the silicone applicators for mascara. I just feel like it really combs out my lashes, and my lashes are thick and they do whatever they want. They unruly. I like to call them popcorn, but this is fine. I'm never gonna be upset with the mascara, so that's cool. I'm just so annoyed. My box is done. I have one more thing left, and this is, what is it? See, that's what I'm saying. The font, you guys need to work on this. So this is a replenishing body serum with marine algae and blue yarrow. If I wanted algae, I could go. Sorry, just kidding. It's called, I guess it's in Laguna. I don't know what that means, why it's called that. So it's from Earth Harbor. I guess it's called Laguna. Okay, it's the Laguna replenishing body serum. Tantalizing blend of pure botanicals. It's $26. What is I guess I'm just gonna put this all over my body. I'll put it on my body. This video is gonna be so short. I am so sorry. What the fuck? Okay, so we got another serum. Ooh, it's a replenishing body serum. This is what it looks like. Honestly, this looks like when I opened my pool this year. Sorry, but it is. It was great. I don't know if I like that smell. If I want to put that all over my body, I'm just gonna put it on my leg. You guys know I'm not wearing pants. It's alright. It's moisturizing. The smell is faint. I guess pretty concentrated, so I wasn't really feeling that, and it smelled kind of like, I don't know. Not like lemongrass, like maybe dirty lemongrass if you just like rolled it in dirt, left it outside after it rained, and maybe a slug went on it. Maybe that's what it smelled like at first, but it's not so bad. So that's it. What a video. I apologize. That's it, guys. That is pretty much it. Here's the box. This tiny little, I can hold it with one hand. This tiny little box. I got a card this time, and the card matched the products. That's okay. Things are expensive. Okay. This, I'm pretty sure this was left on the shelf. This was filthy, disgusting. It looks nasty as hell. I don't even want to open it. I'm gonna throw this out. This is really, really like everything people say about BoxyCharm sometimes. This product makes me feel like, yeah, it was left in a warehouse. It fell on the floor. They kicked it 2-3 times, picked it up, threw it in my box just to make that last item. Like just to make it for that premium, because this ain't it. These lashes, nothing against this brand. It's just not luxury to me, and it's kind of annoying. For me, I don't like that. This is the way the box is held, and the lashes are like upside down. I don't know, that kind of annoyed me. You guys know I only wear my lashes now. They'll be coming out soon. And that's pretty much all I have to say. I don't really care for anything too much in here. The serums are cool, the blush, whatever, the mascara, cool. But this box was not it. And this was not it. For the size of this box, honestly, they could have gave me a Natasha Denona palette. They could have done something to make this better and not give me old shit that they left on the warehouse floor, because that's what that was, and it's gross. Like, I was literally disgusted. I had to stop. I showed my mother. It looks nasty, especially for something that's supposed to be an eye cream. I'm not putting that on my face. Look at the card. Just find a way. Not putting that on my face. That's disgusting. And with that being said, the video is done. Is this gonna be my last BoxyCharm video? I am really, really annoyed with this. I am. It's one thing if they just send the email like, hey, we're economizing. That's cool. The size of the box kind of really threw me off and already had me like in a bad headspace. But for me to get a product that was old and disgusting that they left on the floor really pissed me off, no matter how okay the other products were. So this wasn't it for me. If you guys want me to continue to BULLSH T my goals, I know you guys like when I'm upset. So just let me know in the comments down below. Give this video a big thumbs up. It helps me out a lot and lets me know that you like the video for me to keep making them and keep doing them instead of wasting my time on Boxycharm. Sorry. I was at like a Super Saiyan 2. But that was, I don't know what that was. I just don't know. But if you haven't already, and look, just please, I'm stressed out. Hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Join the Clockwork crew so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday like clockwork. I don't got nothing else to say. I am over it. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Until next time.